everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about agentic AI. We all know that AI is evolving very fast. But think about some artificial intelligence जिसको ह्यूमन इनपुट ही नहीं चाहिए होगा, जो अपने डिसीजन खुद ले पाएगा, जो अपने गोल्स खुद सेट कर पाएगा विदाउट ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन. तो यहाँ आता है एजेंटिक एआई का कंसेप्ट. Agentic AI is the next big leap in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore what is agentic AI, how it is used, हम इसे क्यों artificial intelligence का future बोल रहे हैं. तो let's start. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence system that don't just sit and wait for instruction. Instead, they think of themselves, set goals, and take actions to achieve those goals. ये AI systems ट्रेडिशनल AI जैसे नहीं होते जो सिर्फ प्री डिफाइंड रूल फॉलो करे. They are more like intelligent agents capable of making decisions, adapting to changes, and even improving their own performance over time. Think of it this way: normal AI tools respond only when you ask them something. But agentic AI doesn't wait. It takes initiatives, plan tasks, breaks them into steps, and starts executing just like human team members. Now let's dive into what really makes agentic AI stand out. Its core characteristic. First up is autonomy. Agentic AI can operate independently. मतलब ये AI बार बार human input का wait नहीं करता. It can make decisions on its own based on its understanding and the data it receives. Next, goal directed behavior. This AI always has an objective in mind. It doesn't just execute tasks randomly, it works with purpose, focusing on what needs to be achieved. Then comes adaptability. ये AI सीखता है over time through experience. Whether it is through reinforcement learning या fine tuning, it improves itself and adjusts to new situations dynamically. Then comes proactiveness. Unlike traditional AI that waits for inputs, agentic AI takes initiative. For example, अगर उसे लगे कोई task urgent है, it might start working on it before you even ask. That's next level automation. Memory and context awareness. Agentic AI doesn't forget. It remembers past interactions to make smarter decisions. जैसे एक ह्यूमन को याद रहता है अपनी पिछली बातें, पिछली बार क्या कहा था. This AI uses that memory for better context and continuity. And finally, multi-agent collaboration. ये AI अकेला काम नहीं करता. It can team up with other AI agents or even humans. Imagine multiple AI agents, each expert in a specific task, working together to solve a complex problem. Teamwork, but powered by intelligence. So, now the big question: how does agentic AI actually work? Behind the scenes, there are multiple powerful technologies working together to give this AI its agentic behavior. First one is the LLM, large language models. These are the brain of the system. Models like GPT-4 or Gemini. They help in reasoning, planning, and decision making. ये मॉडल्स बस टेक्स्ट जनरेट नहीं करते, they think, analyze, and even solve problems logically. Next is reinforcement learning. This is how the AI learns what works and what doesn't. Through trial and error, जैसे एक चाइल्ड सीखता है by trying different things, वैसे ही ये AI भी अपने एक्शन से फीडबैक लेता है और बेटर डिसीजन लेना सीखता है ओवर टाइम. Agentic AI is not just book smart, it's street smart. It can use external tools like APIs, web search, calculators to get things done. For example, AutoGPT can browse the internet, write codes, and even place orders online independently. Then comes memory and retrieval augmented generation. ये AI भूलता नहीं, it stores past conversations, facts, references. Whenever needed, it retrieves relevant information, ensuring consistency and relevance in the actions. And finally, multi-agent system. This is where things get even more exciting. Agentic AI can work in teams, multiple agents, each with a specific role. जैसे एक research agent, एक writer agent, एक fact checker agent, all working together to complete a big task seamlessly. Agentic AI is not just theory anymore. It is already here and it is evolving fast. कुछ real world examples देखते हैं. First one is AutoGPT. ये एक autonomous AI agent है जो complex task को छोटे छोटे sub goals में तोड़ता है and then completes them step by step. You give it a high level goal and it figures out how to get it done from planning to execution. Second one is Devin AI. This is basically an AI software engineer. Devin can write codes, fix bugs, run tests, and even deploy apps all on its own. It's like having an intelligent junior developer who never sleeps. Next one is Tesla's full self driving. ये सिस्टम रियल टाइम में रोड को ऑब्जर्व करता है, डिसीजन लेता है और गाड़ी को सेफली ऑपरेट करता है. इट इज अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ एजेंटिक एआई इन रोबोटिक्स where decisions happen in split seconds without human help. Then we have Rabbit R1 and the Humane AI Pin. These are smart, wearable personal assistant. They don't just wait for commands. They proactively manage schedules, respond to emails, and interact with apps on your behalf. And finally, AlphaFold and ChemCro. These are AI scientists. AlphaFold ने protein folding का decade-old puzzle solve कर दिया है and ChemCro helps design new molecules for research. They are transforming how scientific discovery happens. So, where exactly is agentic AI being used? कुछ applications देखते हैं agentic AI के. First one is business and productivity. Agentic AI के help से we are automating workflows like never before. Virtual agents can now handle emails, manage schedules, assist in computer services, and even analyze reports. सोचो एक AI जो आपकी टीम का असिस्टेंट बन जाए working 24/7. Next is healthcare. From AI doctors that can suggest diagnosis and treatment plans to drug discovery agents that simulate thousands of molecular interactions. Agentic AI is revolutionizing medicine. ये not just saves time but also makes healthcare more accurate and accessible. Third is robotics and autonomous system. Think of self-driving cars like Tesla or drones that navigate cities on their own. ये सब real time decision making करते हैं using agentic AI to understand the environment and act according. Then comes scientific research. AI agents are now running automated experiments, analyzing research papers और नई hypothesis generate कर रहे हैं. In fields like climate modeling, physics, and biology, agentic AI is becoming a virtual scientist. And finally, entertainment and creativity. Imagine NPCs in video games that learn from your gameplay, or AI generated music, stories, and art that evolves over time. ये सिर्फ कंटेंट क्रिएट नहीं करता, ये कोलैबोरेट करता है, refining ideas and styles interactively. Now, let's talk about the major challenges and risks which are there with agentic AI. First one is alignment. ये सबसे critical concern है. How do we ensure that AI agents act in ways that are aligned with human values? We don't want AI making decisions that are technically correct but ethically wrong. So, aligning AI behavior with human intentions is mission critical. Next one is bias. AI learns from data and data can be biased. अगर ट्रेनिंग डेटा में stereotypes या unfair patterns हैं, then AI may unknowingly reinforce them. So, bias mitigation is not just an option, it is must have. Third one is security risk. Autonomous agents with internet access and tool use abilities sound amazing. But what if they get misused? Imagine an agent getting tricked into writing malware or spreading fake information. That's why building safe, monitored system is extremely important. Then comes job displacement. ये एक real world impact है. As AI starts automating complex tasks like writing code, analyzing data, or customer support, some roles may get replaced. It is not just about jobs going away, but about skills needing to evolve. And lastly, unpredictability. Agentic AI learns and adapts, but sometimes in ways we did not anticipate. Unintended action or decisions could lead to real world consequences. So, building fail safes, oversight, and control mechanism is absolutely necessary. Now, let's see the future of agentic AI. First, more autonomous long running agents. In the coming years, we will see AI agents that can operate for days, weeks, or even months without needing constant supervision. ये agents complex projects handle करेंगे from planning to execution end to end, like fully autonomous employee. Second, self-improving AI. Future agentic system will not just adapt, they will improve themselves. They will analyze their own performance, learn from mistakes, and update their strategies, all without human help. Then comes third, human AI collaboration. Rather than replacing us, the best AI will partner with us. Picture this: a human designs the vision, and AI agents take care of the execution, research, testing, and optimization. A perfect team, human creativity plus machine efficiency. And finally, stronger regulations and ethics. As agentic AI becomes more powerful, we will need robust governance, expect new policies, ethical guidelines, and global framework to ensure safe and fair use. After all, with AI becoming more agentic, the responsibility to guide it wisely becomes even more crucial. This was all about agentic AI. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video.